Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will see how you can export the Markups List data as a CSV file in Excel. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the Markups List. Here, you can see different measurements listed. To export this data as CSV alongside the Filter List option at the top, click the Export icon. Click CSV Summary to create an Excel summary of your markups. In the Markup Summary dialog box under the Output tab, you can include different markup or measurement attributes in your report, such as markups, totals, units, and version history. In the Columns tab, you can include or exclude the desired columns to only fetch the data that you need. Let's uncheck the unnecessary columns to only extract the information that we need in our report. In the Filter and Sort tab, you have additional filtering options to refine further your reports based on the columns you include in your export. For instance, we have only included area measurements in this PDF to make it easier to understand. Let's filter it based on the area columns data. You can simply select all or specific values to export. Or you can create a more comprehensive filter by clicking the Custom option here. You can see all the area values listed here. You can choose to export based on values equal to, not equal to, greater than, or less than a particular area measurement. You can further define your range by choosing between and or. If you filter values based on an AND selection, it will include data that matches both the criteria enclosed in the orange boundary above and below. With OR, it will include values that match either the first criterion or the one below, whichever is satisfied. You can delete unnecessary segments by clicking the bin icon and add more fields by clicking the and/or buttons at the end. Let's define a custom range. Once you are done, click the Apply button below. Then click OK to continue. Wait for Revu to create a CSV file. It will automatically open in Excel, showing your Markups List data. Here, you can see it's only showing area values within our defined filter range. You can use this data for further estimations or reporting outside Revu. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.